okay. Then you can write your opinion on your social media and you can post it. So everybody will know it. Everybody will know, will recognize your idea. Okay, jump to the next steps. Yeah, I'm going to talk of this advantage of the social media. Okay, first, disadvantage of the social media is we are, yeah, we are going to be the neglect person. Yeah, we are. It's mean that we are going to unsocial persons because we are busy with our phones. We are going to busy by our laptops. So I will be um, like how to say unsocial and how to say introvert person. We are not going to the extrovert person. Okay, that you happy to be alone. You're happy that, yeah, by using media or your phone in your hand is okay. And another disadvantage, yeah, another disadvantage of social media. Sometimes if you post with the propaganda of information, social media is gonna be big disaster.